At Anderson Automotive Group, every detail matters, including peace of mind behind the wheel. With our 4-for-1 protection plan, you can drive confidently, knowing we've got you covered. Tire and Wheel Repair provides replacement tires when damage occurs on public roadways, including mounting and balancing so your journey stays smooth. Cosmetic Wheel Repair takes care of rim damage from nicks, scratches, or scrapes, keeping your vehicle looking pristine. And Windshield Repair restores minor chips and cracks up to 6 inches, with repairs completed by a professional technician wherever it's most convenient for you. With Paintless Dent Repair, we'll remove dings and dents up to 4 inches in length, performed conveniently at the dealership, your home, or your office. Our key replacement coverage ensures you're protected against lost, stolen, or damaged keys with quick repair or reimbursement, because whether it's scraping a rim, popping a tire, or misplacing your keys, at Anderson Automotive Group, effortless protection is part of the luxury. Let us take the worry out of your day and help make auto easy.